In this video, I will show you how to draw map chart in Microsoft Excel. So firstly, guys, you need some data. I have data for country GDP growth. So select them, open your Microsoft Excel, paste here, adjust size. Now select your data. Now insert map and click on map. Now here you can increase the size. Now right click on it and format data series. Can make some more changes. Select automatic map area, select regions with data, label, select best fit only, series color, you can select two or three color, you can select lowest value or number, select your color combination, like this. Or you can select here lowest value, middle value and highest value. Also guys, you will see the data once you hover cursor on particular country. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.